Hi, I'm Katie and welcome to Wise Guides, where we give you and your team our best practices so you can get the most out of SiteOwl. Today we are going to talk about how SiteOwl enables seamless collaboration between the field and the office. Project managers need updates from their integrator teams to effectively move the entire project to completion. SiteOwl provides a simple way to better collaborate on active projects. A project manager in SiteOwl has multiple advantages. To start their day, they can review all their open projects in headquarters. From the project card, they can see when devices were installed on their projects. They can see % complete, both overall and by each floor plan. And they can see any flags or issues on the project. To get a more detailed view of progress on the overall project, I can look at the project progress report. This shows me a breakdown of completion by system type. Now, if I need to deep dive into more detail on my project, I can go back to the project card and click on Flags. From there, it takes me to the flag report so I can view any issues for the day. By clicking on a specific device, I can go in, view the issue on that device, and resolve it. From the floor plan, I can visually see devices that are planned, in progress, and completed. For the installed devices, the field techs have added details like photos, MAC address, and serial number. Now I have a full picture of my projects and can rest assured that I'm receiving updates without having to call, email, text, or go on site. SiteOwl gives project managers more visibility and confidence in the install than ever before because everyone is on the same platform and as a result, on the same page.